Hi everyone, welcome to the SQL for Oracle database course. So in the previous lecture I showed you how to unlock the HR schema. In today's lecture I will show you first how to make sure the HR schema is open, and then we connect the HR schema to SQL Developer and TOAD tool. I was gonna connect SQL plus backslash as sysdba to connect to our database. Set the password. Now I'm connected. Show container name semicolon. So we are in the, as we said, we are in the container database root. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just back to the previous lecture please. Okay, I'm just gonna alter session, set container equal to Oracle pluggable database. Session altered. Now show container underscore name. Now we are in the Oracle database. Okay, I'm just gonna check, select username, and also we have account underscore status from BDB database DBA underscore users, where username equal to HR. Okay, semicolon plus enter. So select username and the account status from database users, the one we saved our schema on within the user, where username equal to HR. Now you can say the account status HR is open. Since the HR is open, that means done. Your HR is open. That's gonna exit, and just put exit and you are out. Now it's gonna connect to SQL Developer. We connect the HR schema to the SQL Developer tool. To connect your HR with the SQL Developer, you need to go for to connect, plus on the connection. You have to put the name for your connection. For example, I'm gonna put HR underscore connection. You can also, if you have multiple connections, you can set the color. For example, I'm gonna set the color for that as red. We use the database type as Oracle. You have to set the username and password for the schema. We call the username in the previous lecture. When we unlock the HR, we call the username as HR, and the password I keep the same as the HR capital. You can save the password. And for the connection type, we use the basic. The details, the host name is supposed to be localhost on your desktop, localhost. The port is 1521. Okay, but for me I use the service name. So when I told you we connect to the Oracle pluggable database, so I have to put Oracle pluggable database. Oracle pluggable database, this one that we just connected right now, when we know the HR schema is within the sub database called Oracle DBA. We have to test first. So we test that, and you can check the status is success. When it's success, you can now connect. So you see, we have the HR connection, and now we can run our query. Let's gonna apply simple query to check if our HR schema is working properly or not. Select all from employees and semicolon. We have to run the query. So now you can check select all from employees. Employees is a table within the HR schema. Within the HR is the table that we will work on to run our SQL. Now you can see we successfully unlock the HR and we run one of the simple queries. Okay, we can do the same for TOAD. If, as we said, SQL Developer is a free software. So, but if you like to work also on TOAD, it's gonna run as administrator. So when you open the TOAD for Oracle database, is as we said before, is only for 30 days, 1 month. But if you like to work on it, or you have in a business account, so we have to connect the HR schema. Same user HR. This is HR, and for the connection we have to use the direct connection. Okay, and for the host and port, when we install the TOAD, so they have some instruction. So you have to use this. The host is 127.0.0.1. So this is the host, and 1521, this is for the port. For the service name is the same, that this is Oracle pluggable database, the one that we know is the HR is there. Okay, connection type normal. You can also set the color from here if you have multiple database, and you can connect. Now you can see we successfully connect the HR schema to the TOAD tool. Select all from employees, and we run this one, execute the query, and you can check we have successfully execute the employee table, and these the all the data. This is all you need to know how to make sure your HR is connected, and then you connect your HR to your tool that you will use it to run your query. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.